Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my January BOXYCHARM. So we have the base, we have premium. Let's go jump right on in and see what we got here. Alright, so the base box, it says BOXYCHARM Refresh. So, get rid of the paper that's in there. We got the first thing here is Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette. The packaging right there. Let's go see what the colors are. I'm just going to rip it because I don't feel like getting up to get something to cut this open with. So I'm just going to rip it open because it's only going to get put into my eyeshadow drawer anyway. And we have colors like that. And they're actually really nice colors. Sorry about we'll pull it back like this. Really nice colors. I'm going to move it back here. I think this looks more true to color being back here than it is if I put it up here. So you see the colors right there. They're actually really pretty. They look a little summery and beachy. Love it. Of course, you know, escape. Where are we escaping to? Who knows? And that costs $42. We have Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Revitalize, I can't talk, Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Yeah, red box. I've never heard of these people, this company. I don't have dark circles. My eyelids aren't dark. This may go to someone else. I may keep it. Who knows? I mean, I don't have any of these problems. So I don't know why I'm getting something like that. On my little quiz thing, it doesn't say anything about dark circles that I want stuff for. So, and that is $59. Next, we have the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer Hydrate. Don't mind having a primer, especially a hydrating primer, since I am a dry gal here. I don't want to open it to smell it. I'd rather keep it sealed for when I need to use it, because I don't want stuff to dry out. And it says, farewell dry flaky skin. Quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer and save time on your beauty regimen. Plus, don't forget to use sunscreen, so you still would need to use that. And this is $32. That's not bad at all for that. Next, we have Contact Skin Matte Lipstick. It is a new brand to Boxy from what I am reading down here. That's awesome that they write that there. First of all, I've never heard of contacts. Contacts. I can speak for sure. Can't get it out either. Can we get it out? Thank you. It's just a plain black. It says contacts right there. Black tube. It's the color right here. Smells pretty good. It's not horrible. And that is the shade, if you can see right there. It's actually a really nice shade for a change. Yes. And it feels like it's a cream. So it's not, I mean, it says it's matte, but it going on. All right, maybe it is. Never mind, I lied. Don't listen to me. I'm not a beauty influencer. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I just like makeup. Alright, that was $20. It's alright. I don't know what it'll feel like on my lips. Next, we have Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. $18, says Boxy exclusive. Liner. Would have been nice for me to open it at the other end where the sharpener is. But that's okay. So it comes with just this little purpley blue little sharpener right there. It's just plain basic sharpener. And it's like a purpley blue packaging, and it's like a brownie color. So that's actually a nice neutral too. So, and that would be nice to pair with that lipstick. So, not mad about that at all. That is the base box right there. We're going to move on to the premium box. Let's move all this paper out of here. Trash, trash, trash. And this one says BOXYCHARM Better Beauty. And our first thing we have in here, and it says it's a new launch. I don't know what that means. I mean, I know new launch, it's new. It's a new launch. Is it a new launch for that company? Is it a new company? I mean, I don't know. But anyway, don't listen to me. It's Ather Beauty. Here, you guys can try to read that. I don't know what it is. And it's Desert Sunset Palette. So it looks like it's a eyeshadow palette, I'm guessing. Would be nice to read the card. 10 shades in ultra matte shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes to create gorgeous glowing looks. Okay, this is $48. Let's open this up and see what we have here. Opening up these packages kill my cuticles. My gosh. Alright. I have no clue, but it has this little card right there. It's really pretty. And then we're gonna, oh, okay. It's weird. Colors are okay. It's a weird box, like no mirror or anything. And it was like, when I opened it, it was like, hear it? Some ASMR. And then the colors, no mirror. Like, no mirror. It's weird. You guys see, it's like, I don't know. But, I don't know why I just smelled that. But the eyeshadow colors are pretty. Nose is itching. My nose are itchy. Didn't take an allergy pill. So, it's pretty nice. Okay, never heard of the company. I will have to give that a nice try there. But I do like the little card that comes with it. And next we have Bare Minerals, the original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder. I have never tried this. And I hear everybody talk such great things about this. And I wanted to give it a go. And it's just the, like I said, the original. So that's it. Original Mineral Veil. I guess it's no color. So I guess it's just like the translucent regular color. Whatever. I don't know. Like I said, I've never used this. So I wouldn't know what shades or anything it comes in. But this is $27. Oh my God, my nose won't stop itching. Ever since I touched it. Now it wants to itch even more. Next we have, my nose really won't stop itching. What the heck? Next we have Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. Right here in this packaging. So it's basically a cleansing balm, like to melt off your makeup. And it's a pretty aqua container. Not opening it. I'm realizing while I'm watching, when I re-look at my videos, and I'm like, why am I opening the containers just to smell them? Because now I've exposed them to air after they've been sealed. Don't expose them to air, because then bacteria and crap has now gone in there. So I'm keeping everything that's skincare related closed from now on. Sorry, I will not be explaining what the smells are, but if I am going to use it on my face, I want it to be as healthy, stable. You get what I'm saying? Alright. That, $35. Then we have LYS. I at least know this company. It is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. 2 primers. So, like I said, oh, look at that. It's got a triangle. It's basically like their staple shape. Seems like their staple shape is a triangle because I got a bronzer from them. And it was in a triangle shape too. Like it. The bronzer was even nice. I really liked it. And I think I heard of LYS. Yes, I did. I heard of LYS from Jamie Page Beauty. think it's, yeah, Jamie Page Beauty, I believe is what it is. Either which way, it's Jamie Page. I heard of this company from her, and I've been enjoying every single thing that I've got. So it's good to have this. Like I said, not opening it to smell it. Goes on my face. $20 for that. Next, we have Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. So, sorry if you hear that truck going by. So, it sounds like a bus. I don't know why. There's no bus stops on my street. So, I don't have pores. Like, I don't have the pores that some people talk about, how they say they have deep pores. If you got up on my face, you wouldn't see pores on my face. I'm sure I got really, really tiny, tiny micro size ones. But I don't really need a pore refining mask. My face doesn't need that much work to clean out the pores. I mean, will I use it? Of course, I have it. I now own it. I will use it. That is $36. Next, we have Persona Cosmetics Lip Liner. Another lip liner. And this is in the shade 90210. At first, I thought that was a SKU number. Oh, look at that. It's almost like the Kylie Cosmetics colors. Don't own any of their stuff, but yeah, the color is 90210. And it's like it's kind of like a berry brown. It kind of has like a little bit of a pink in it. Excuse me. It's coming across on the camera more like brown, and that was very creamy. Holy cow. And that is $14. That's actually not bad. So, all in all, excuse me. All in all, I do have to say I do like what I have received in here. The only thing I'm not too sure about, I think, is mostly this and that new brand, or the new launch, or yeah, the new brand. No, the new launch is these two things. I don't know about Contacts, the lipstick, but will I try to use them? Yes. And I'm sure. But then again, I'm re-looking at that Dermalect thing, and it says it's a 5-in-1 advanced eye treatment. So maybe I should have read this. It's specially formulated to address serious dark circles, reduce the look of tired and puffy under eye bags, lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids, light diffusing pigments instantly and cleverly, conceal any damage. Soothing cool tip applicator makes the eye area feel rejuvenated and energized. So maybe I should have read that. So it's not really just for dark circle correcting. It has more than just that. So why not? Just try it. Right? Right. Who knows? But anyway, that is what I got in my boxes for the month of January. Let me know what you guys, if you guys get BOXYCHARM, what you got. If we got the same stuff. If you've tried any of the stuff that I got in my boxes, let me know what you guys like about that. Or not about that. What you like about the item. And like I said, if you like this video, and like I say in all my videos, give it thumbs ups. Comment down below anything. Anything. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.